Hello everyone, welcome to Draw with Sheethal. Today, let's draw a beautiful cake. Now I'm drawing cherry on it. Now let's color the chocolate layer with brown color. Red goes with cherries. This layer I'm coloring it with yellow color. Here comes the green color for the base part. You can also color as per your wish. Now I'm giving outline for everything. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more drawing videos. Bye bye.